So hello friends, I just wanted to go over a few things with you before you begin to watch the videos that we created for you. I just want to let you know that when we are following the credential guidelines, we want to make sure that we only introduce ourselves one time, and you're only going to be washing your hands with soap and water one time. The rest of the skills that you perform, you can use hand sanitizer and verbalize, I am now washing my hands. Those tips that I'm giving you are listed in the Colorado Nurse Aid Handbook. So please make sure to follow that. And if you're watching from a different state, please know that these guidelines are pertaining to the Colorado CNA guidelines through Credentia. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Hello, Mrs. Smith. How are you doing this morning? My name is Daisy Wilkins, and I'm going to be your CNA for today. I'm going to go ahead and start off by washing my hands. Okay, remember when you want to wash your hands, do not touch the sink. You want to make sure you turn the water on and check for temperature. Make sure it's not too hot. Okay, the first step is to go ahead and thoroughly wet your wrists and your hands. Once you do that, go ahead and grab a good amount of soap. When you begin friction, make sure you do it for 20 seconds or longer. As you can see, I'm starting with the palm of my hands. And I'm now moving to the top of my hand, including my fingers. We're going to go ahead and go to the other side and do the same thing. All right, let's go ahead and get that thumb since we didn't really get it the first time. And always keep in mind to point your hands down into the sink. Next thing we want to do is show enough friction around your wrists. Now let's go ahead and do the other wrist. And lastly, we want to make sure that we get all fingernails. Always keep in mind you must do this for more than 20 seconds. Once we're done with all those sections, we're going to go ahead and rinse. Please avoid touching the inside of the sink and always keeping your hands facing down. Okay, you want to go ahead and grab about 2 paper towels. And you want to begin drying at the fingertips because that's what our list says to do. Now we're going to go ahead and start at the fingertips here. Make sure you're all dry, and now you may throw that away. Grab one more paper towel. Turn the faucet off. My skill is complete.